We actually were very, very proud of you. You and I have had a few hard conversations through the years. Some about grades and some other things. But you know something? You deserve this honor. You have worked hard. You've come through. I've seen a lot of growing up and changing. To these freshmen out here, you know good and well what you need to tell them. Start on those books now. Start working in the weight room now. Be dedicated. Because I saw you do that your junior and senior year. And that's what got him where he is. And Bethel's a school where he can go and shine. Actually, I expect to be hearing about him next fall. Proud of you, Nick.
We're here with Nick. Congratulations, man, for getting out with Bethel. Signing day. How does it feel?
And if you need a fax copy, I'll give a fax to you.
Okay, this blessed day came from your hard work. You know, I talked to you a couple years ago. You were focused on reaching this goal and milestone. Now, when you came into the Trojan football program, you only played bashful kid. When did you mature
I'll scan it to
to
you.
get to this?
Scan it to me now.
Thank you.
We'll make sure he
Good as
gets
done.
3 or 4 different ways.
I kind
See
of
y'all later.
all right. We didn't have as much power as we did in those years. And it was going to take more of a team effort rather than just big plays to get where we need to go. So,
Okay, so you knew some of the focus was going to come on you, especially being on the line. And when I talked to Coach Michaels, your head coach, he said he let you mature into your leadership roles and to the type of player that you were on the field. Coach Fisher as well, you know, they said you were a senior coach. Talk about just, you know, when you matured into a leader, what some of the things you did on the field to show your younger teammates the way, and some of the things you did off the field.
on the field, I calmed down a whole lot. Had to. Because them 15s wouldn't get me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well, we know if we talk to some of your rivals, they're gonna say they know you as a nasty nigga. So around here, you know, the 51 on your jersey, you came known as Howard 51 because your running backs you cleared away from them. So folks like D'Monte and all those guys appreciate what you did. How did you feel once you saw their success? You know, us reporters, we give them all the publicity. Your guys, y'all hardly ever get mentioned, but it took solace in them getting those big numbers. Talk about that.
It feels good to know that without me, together we put it together, they gonna score. So I make a good block, but they make a good, they find the hole and they score.
And name some of the running backs that you blocked for over your 4 years here at Millington. It's a who's who. D'Monte Kemp.
Yeah. I think the first running back I ever blocked for was probably LeKeron Garcia.
Memphis. Okay.
Yeah.
Memphis.
Next came Keno Taylor. He was next up. Then after that it was Justin.
And we can throw Eldon in there too. He was a running back.
He was a running back. Eldon, Tommy, D'Monte. Yeah, that's pretty much.
So those names that people want to hear forever.
And Dante.
So those names that people want to hear forever, and a couple of them more going to go on to do some things, they always will be associated with you. And for you to be associated with this program, what does the Trojan football program mean?
Trojan football program is family. I've been around my whole life, even though I didn't start off like SYS level. I was in Memphis, but I've been living in Millington my whole life. So
the black and gold means a lot to you.
I mean, a whole lot.
Now, what does the purple and gold mean? What do you hope that means to you? Up that battle.
I hope me and family is with it.
So what do you hope to bring to that team and to that program?
Obviously aggressiveness, a will to play, and just a good vibe to the team. I'm ready to play.
Okay, my last question for you. In the preseason, we did the Red Iron Glory, and you are covered for Millington, and I appreciate it once again because you validated yourself being on that cover. Made me look like some smart genius. That day we monitored the nickname Highway 51.
And they're good football.
That 51 on your jersey. You looked at me and said, I want to make that nickname stick. And I hear teammates chant Highway, Highway. On your signing day, how does that make you feel, knowing that they're going to forever remember?
They were baffled. They were watching.
It's a real warm feeling to know that I made a name for myself.
Use these people.
You know,
I was like,
some people don't get the opportunity. It's been good people, but to earn the name and the respect, we just feel good.
So man, you definitely earned that nickname and earn this day. Congratulations on going well.
because you're talking about now.